Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you to everyone who is practicing English with me. Today is day 15 of my 21-day English speaking challenges. Today I am going to share a real life story about the power of visualization. When I was working at Prakash Labor's Private Limited, I used to go to the office every day. Near my company, there was an ACL office. Whenever I saw ACL employees, I felt they were highly talented professionals and were enjoying great careers because they worked for such a reputed company. Every day I imagined myself working at SL. I visualized being part of that organization in achieving my career goals. This became a daily habit. One day I received a call from an SL recruiters in the morning. They scheduled my interview for 2 p.m. the same day. At that time, I had not prepared at all for the interview. I thought many times I skipped it because I felt unprepared and lacked confidence. However, at last moment, I decided to attend the interview. The interview panels, there are four people there. One guy asked three questions first. I did not give answer three questions. After that, I gave answer all the questions. After completing interview, I surprised in myself. I cleared my interview. After 2 days, I received a call from ACL HR. Your interview round is clear. I was selected by ACL. This experience taught me an important lesson. When you consistently visualize your goals, stay positive and take action when opportunity come your way, you can achieve things you that once seemed impossible. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.